Hello, I'm Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond with more videos in the future. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested for driving under the influence of marijuana. Criminal attorney, Los Banos. DUI attorney, Los Banos. Marijuana, Los Banos. Attorney, Los Banos. Let's see here. I am a medical marijuana patient. One day, I happened to be stopped by the police. I got nervous and they started asking me many questions, and I told him that I had used marijuana and they arrested me. Okay, so first of all, the question is, why did they stop you? What was the probable cause? If you ran a stop sign or ran a red light, that might be probable cause to stop the vehicle, but it's not necessarily basis to charge you with a DUI under the influence of marijuana, because they actually have to show that you're under the influence of marijuana. See, the state of California has not codified the amount of THC that somebody needs to have in their system in order to say, okay, you got a DUI marijuana. It's not like alcohol. Here in the state of California, if you're at a 0.08 or more blood alcohol level, then yeah, you'll get a DUI even if you were driving perfectly fine. Now, in other states, for instance, Colorado, there's a certain amount of nanograms of THC that you can have in your system, and if you're above that amount, you're getting an automatic DUI. However, that has not yet been codified here in the state of California. So the DA actually has to show bad driving. Now, if you submit to field sobriety tests and you're falling all over the place, your eyes are really bloodshot, and you're just all over the place, okay, well, they're going to be able to make a case right there that the marijuana was impeding your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle. Remember, just because you're a medical marijuana patient doesn't mean that you have the right to drive while you're under the influence of marijuana. Sure, you can use the marijuana, but that doesn't mean you have the right to drive under the influence of marijuana. DUI marijuana is a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23-152 parentheses F. It's a misdemeanor that carries up to 6 months in the county jail, and also it will carry a 6-month license suspension for the first offense. You have to be very careful with this. You got to remember, just because you're a medical marijuana patient, that does not mean you have the right to drive under the influence of marijuana. It simply means you can use it. Actually, nowadays, anybody over the age of 21 here in the state of California can use marijuana. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now. Free consultation, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal attorney, Los Banos. DUI attorney, Los Banos. Marijuana, Los Banos. Attorney, Los Banos.